Are you looking for that perfect home to meet your impeccable standards? Well, allow me to show you our new listing here that was a former model at prestigious Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club. Offered fully furnished, this luxury coach home has been professionally decorated and is ready for you to start enjoying immediately this upcoming season. No expense was spared in this former model. You'll love the exquisite details including the extensive woodwork, designer lighting, designer decor, custom drapes, and more. This home even has a custom Murphy bed for those of you who love to have a home office. You'll enjoy peaceful sunrises while sipping your coffee on your expansive lanai overlooking one of the most breathtaking lake and golf views in all of the community. Best of all, this home includes golf membership to Punta Gorda's premier championship golf course, all with low fees. When you're not golfing, you and your friends will love relaxing at the resort amenities, truly embracing the Southwest Florida lifestyle. So if you've been searching for that perfect home, your wait is finally over. Please call or text me at 239-269-7911 to schedule your personal or virtual showing. And don't forget to always ask for a Lisa.